In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious white chicken chili recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 2 chicken breasts thinly sliced, 3 cans of white beans, 1 can of corn, a tomato diced, 1 onion diced, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of parsley, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 3 tablespoons of oil, and 8 ounces of cream cheese. In a pot over heat, we're going to add in the oil. Add the onions and saute them. Next, add in the tomatoes and continue to saute. Now we're going to add in the chicken and we're going to cook until the chicken is thoroughly cooked. Season with the salt, pepper, chili powder, chicken bouillon, cumin, and the parsley. Add in 2 cups of water. We're going to cut up the cream cheese into smaller cubes and add it into our chili. Cook until the cream cheese is completely combined. Add in the corn. Add in the beans. Cover with a lid and let simmer for 10 minutes. Remove the lid and add in the lemon juice. Remove from heat. Our white chicken chili is complete and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.